dear. I don't feel so good. Oh, I felt all right before, but now I kind of got a little teeny bit of a sore throat, and I feel a little nauseous in my giblets. And here I sit all alone. Boy, nobody even knows I'm sitting here by myself, not feeling too good. They probably don't even care. No, nobody cares. They're out there in the world, having a great time, living it up, and here's poor Big Bird, not feeling too great, all by himself.
Big Bird?
Big Bird.
Hey, what's the matter? You know, we were worried about you. The kids were waiting for you outside, and you didn't come and didn't come.
You were
okay?
worried?
Sure, Big Bird. What, are you okay? What's the matter with you?
Well, I kind of feel out of sorts, you know.
Oh.
Yeah? What, you got a temperature? Put your head down. Let me see. You're a little hot.
I am.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh,
Hi, guys.
a little bit.
Hey, Big Bird.
Hey, Louise.
How you
Oh,
doing?
hi, Luis.
You know, you didn't come to visit me like you usually do, and I thought that maybe something was wrong. I was worried about you. You okay?
Oh, wow, thanks. You were worried about me?
Yeah.
Just an old bird?
How do you feel?
Oh, well, I feel a little bit better already,
Hey.
thanks to
The kids
you.
were waiting on you. Come
They
on.
Hi,
came to see
kids.
you.
Big Bird. You brought
Hi,
me toys.
Crystal.
You want to get in?
Well, if you're not feeling good, why don't we just stay here? We'll keep you company.
You will?
Sure.
Yeah.
Wow, having
play
friends
around.
is great.
Here's the hot water.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters L and N and by the number 5. Fabulous. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.